up, my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's Mishi. Today I thought I would give you guys a little bit of hair content. I've been rocking some really blonde knotless braids for a hot minute now. Actually, I started getting them in Ghana. I did them once myself, and then I actually got someone to do these for me because your girl has no patience. Okay, so it's these really gorgeous kind of multi-tonal mid-length wavy knotless braids, as you guys can see. I love these, but I feel like I've been a bit boring with my styles. I haven't really been venturing out and trying different styles, so we're gonna do some styles today. If you guys like this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. And without further ado, let's get into the video. So obviously the first style is just going to be this one. You can just wear your hair down. 1.2, the side part. You can do the side part however you want it. Sometimes I literally go all the way over here, give myself a little emo face fringe, but a really nice deep part is always a vibe. And then obviously you can clip the hair back and put some like accessories in it. A bit lower down, so it's kind of outside, but it's still there. She's so cute. And I'd probably call this one 1.3. So just kind of all back. Sometimes I even wear a band just to keep everything nice and secure. Something like this. It's giving cute, clean girl, next door vibes. Yeah, I sometimes wear this with 2 bands as well, just to give it a little bit of interest. Sometimes I wear it with coloured bands. You can obviously wear it all back, so it's very tidy. Sometimes I even just take some from the back and then have it back like this. I kind of love the way this looks as well. You can also add a bandana to the look, so let me show you guys. I love to whip a good headscarf out, particularly when my braids are getting a bit old and I don't want to show them as much. Honestly, you can probably stretch a braid style an extra week or 2 just by putting a headscarf on. Look how cute she is. Let me show you with this blue one as well. You guys have asked me in multiple videos where I get my headscarves from. Back in the day, I used to get them from vintage stores. So if you guys like thrifting, definitely just go to like your local vintage store and they might have nice scarves like this. But a very reliable source is actually Lush Cosmetics. If you hop into a Lush, they have this thing called a vintage knot wrap. I think the price is anything between £5 and £10, or $5 and $10, whatever you guys, wherever you guys are at. Yeah, and you can find that at pretty much any Lush store. So that's what the blue one looks like. Triangle going at the back. And then just to switch it up, let's also do like a cotton white one. This one I got from Weekday, and this is very much giving Y2K vibes. I feel like such a millennial saying that, but actually I'm gonna fold it in half. Triangle's doing a bit too much. It's not laying the way I want it to, but you get the vibes. The next styles we're gonna do are gonna be variations of the half up, half down. Classic look for every black girl with braids and without braids, you know, so. Oh, I just broke my hairband. Let's use an elastic band. That broke too. And also quite tight, but not so tight that it's gonna rob you of your edges. So we've got the half up, half down. I tend to never really wear it just like this. Grab a braid or 2 from just behind the pony and wrap it around the braid. Much cuter. With the blonde braids, I literally look like a Barbie doll like this. Like, it's a bit much for me personally, but if that's the look you're going for, if you're trying to find your sugar daddy, you know. And then to make things a little bit more interesting, you can kind of give yourself a fringe. So I tend to take the second braid back from the middle, not the first one. I don't know, I've just always done that. And you can always just use one as well. Just one face framing fringe. Or like this. Do a little zhuzh a little bit. And then to snowball off of this, you can do like a half up, half down with a bun. So how we're gonna do this, I'm gonna wrap it and then I'm gonna like make it a bit messy so the ends can kind of stick out. I'm hoping this will work. It's crazy that messy buns actually require the most work. Half up, half down. Oh, I actually quite like the way that this looks here. Next, we're gonna do the all up bun. So let me just Obviously you can wear your hair like this. This is not my style, so I'm gonna continue just adjusting the back so that the hairs are nice and tight. If I can't find this braid, I'll pull it, see where it's moving. So you can see here, this one's there. And then I'll pull this one through. Let me show you guys again. Say for example, this one's looking wild. I'll pull it to identify which braid it is. So I can see it's this one now, and I'll pull it through. So, another hack. Okay, I'm not gonna do it perfectly, but let's just do this bun. So I'm just gonna take one piece and kind of wrap it around. I'm just gonna use a big hairband to hopefully secure everything in place. Let a couple of braids just dangle, do their ting. You can also use bobby pins to just, you know, make it make sense. She's like a classy, she's a messy bun babe, but a classy babe, you know? Let's take this down and then just do like a pony as well. Again, I'm just pulling at the back braids to shift the position of the pony down a little bit without messing up where all of the braids are falling. So yeah, this is more or less how I would wear a pony. It's kind of not too high but not too low. You can obviously do a low pony, you can do a high pony. But she's a pony nonetheless. She's cute. She's cute. And then let's do a variation of the pony. So you're actually gonna separate a front bit of your hair like so, and you wanna tie up the rest of the hair. Okay. Whew. I'm getting so hot. I'm gonna give it a slight swoop, so I'm gonna make sure the hair is kind of falling right, and I'm just gonna bring it right back and grab another hairband. Just adjust it. Bobby pins are your friends. And you can actually wrap some hair on the pony as well, but I'm not gonna bother. I would literally wear this style to a wedding. Like, this is giving soft life, babe. Okay. Onto the next style. So for this one, I'm gonna do a less deep side part. And you wanna grab the hair on this side, and not all of the hair from the front, but like, I would say leave this amount and grab like this much. Literally, this is the easiest style you could do. Twist this back, twist it as well, back. Very simple, very clean. This is the look. I'm getting so hot now. Whew. I'm gonna show you guys another pony because I feel like this one genuinely needs its own place in this hair tutorial, I guess. So it's just an all back. And then to add a little bit more interest, you can also just pick out, again, the second piece and give yourself a little fringe like so. This is so cute. I think this is probably gonna be the final style I show you guys. I'm just getting a little bit too hot right now, so just pull the ponytail to the side like so, and then you're just gonna do a massive braid. Definitely got a loose hair in the back here, but we're gonna ignore that. Go as far down as I can, and then grab another pony, grab another hairband rather, and secure it in place. Super cute. And in the end, look like so. Okay guys, that's it from me today. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I really want to know what your favorite hairstyle is when you have knotless braids in, so do let me know in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe as per usual, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.
I just hit the Mike Jackson on my tiptoes. Oh yeah.